So here we have the Jeep Renegade Longitude on a 16 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the boot, you'll see we've got plenty of space in there, and underneath this carpet section, even more space should you need it. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle, you can see the total miles for this car, which are 14,688. Above that, we've got the digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information displayed there using a button on the steering wheel for various different menus, from audio, your trip computer, fuel economy information, vehicle info, back round to the beginning again. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using just a moment ago are these ones here. We've also got the ability to answer and end phone calls, and we've got voice activation for the phone over that side as well. And then on the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we've got cruise control and speed limiter. Over in the centre here is where you would pair up your phone, amongst other things. You can see that this car has got TomTom satellite navigation. There's a full video showing exactly how this works on both our website and on our Facebook page, which are well worth checking out. If you listen to music, you can hit the radio button up there, and you'll see that this car's got DAB radio as well as AM and FM. If you want to listen to your own music, hit the media button. Nothing is connected at the moment, but you can listen to music via the auxiliary input, the USB input, and you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. So plenty of ways to listen to your music in this car. Working our way down, we've got the air conditioning. So you can adjust the fan speed, temperature, direction you'd like the air to be distributed in, and then turn the air conditioning on. Push that button in so it's on now when that light shows, or off again. Beneath that, we have a 12-volt charging socket, the auxiliary and USB inputs that I mentioned a moment ago, a 5-speed manual gearbox. This button will turn off the traction control. This one turns on or off the electronic handbrake, and this turns on or off the stop and start. So this car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. You can turn the system off or on from there. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.